Hello and welcome to Barb Talks. Today we're going to say thank you to the Little Free Toy Library. I started the Little Free Toy Library in our parking strip about 3 years ago. It was near the beginning of the pandemic, and it was a place for kids and neighbors to gather so that they would have something fun to do outside that would be safe. As you can see, it served its purpose, the free tiny toy shop. Take a toy, share a toy. I need to kind of take a Sharpie and make that a little stronger. But what's happening is I'm going to get the street tree replaced. It basically had been damaged by all the trucks that were coming by and would like tear off a branch here and there. And then we had a big truck come up in our driveway and it tore off another branch. So eventually the tree just died, and so I took advantage of that during the pandemic to be able to install this free tiny toy shop. Moving forward, the toy shop is going to a neighbor's house, and they have small children, and they will be curating the shop themselves. So it'll be in the neighborhood and be able to continue to bring joy, but I will be able to replace the street tree, which will be nice to have shade on the sidewalk when it comes to be summertime. So thank you, Little Free Toy Library, for being such a joy on our block, and I've really appreciated the involvement of our neighbors and the fun that I've had watching people. One of the fun things that I've seen is like neighbor boys, teenage boys would come by and grab a Super Ball. You'd have elderly neighbors come by and pick up a necklace or drop off a necklace. We'd have parents come by with their small children to help their children choose a toy. And it's just been so much fun having this be a part of the neighborhood. And again, it will continue to be part of the neighborhood just on a few blocks north of here. So maybe you'd like to start a little free toy library in your neighborhood. You might already have free book libraries, but a free toy library just gives an opportunity to get rid of all those little tchotchkes in your house that you're going, what am I going to do with these things? Or maybe your kids are outgrowing their toys, and this gives an opportunity to share them and then come grab a new toy that's maybe more fun for them and exchange it that way. So again, I've appreciated the toy library. I'm looking to pass it along and share joy in another neighborhood. Thanks for watching Barb Talks.